We have the following right angle triangle. The distance from here to here is 17. From here to here is 10. From here to here is 8. We are to find this distance from here to here, which is t. First, we are going to start by labeling this point as A. We label this one as B. We label this one as C. Then we label this one as D. You will notice that we have two right angled triangles in this figure. Triangle ABC is a right angled triangle. Triangle BDC is a right angled triangle. Take solution. T, which we are looking for, is simply equal to AC minus DC. Now we need to start by looking for AC and DC so as to calculate T. Then we take this down, triangle ABC and triangle DBC are two right angled triangles. Since they are right angled triangles, it simply means we can make use of Pythagoras Theorem to find the sides AC and DC. By Pythagoras Theorem, we can find AC and DC. Now let's make use of Pythagoras Theorem to find AC and DC. If we take the first right angle triangle, which is a triangle ABC, for this triangle, applying Pythagoras Theorem, this is the hypotenuse. AB squared is equal to AC, all this squared, plus BC or CB is still the same, plus CB squared. AB is equal to 17. This will give us 17 squared is equal to AC. We don't know AC. This is what we are looking for. AC squared plus CB is 8. Plus 8 squared. 17 squared gives us 289 equal to AC squared plus 8 squared, which is 64. Next, we are going to transfer 64 to the left hand side. This will give us 289 minus 64 is equal to AC squared. 289 minus 64 gives us 225 is equal to AC squared. 225 equal to AC squared is the same as saying AC squared is equal to 225. Then we are looking for AC. We're going to take square root on both sides. Will be equal to the square root of 225. This will give us AC to be equal to, we are going to take only the positive square root since distance cannot be negative. And the positive square root of 225 is 15. This is our EC. Next, by making use of a triangle DBC, we can find DC. This is triangle DBC. We have to find DC. Applying Pythagoras Theorem, this will give us DB squared, which is the hypotenuse, equal to DC squared plus CB squared. DB is equal to 10. 10 squared will be equal to DC. We are looking for DC. Is DC plus CB is 8. 8 squared. 10 squared gives us 100 equal to DC squared plus 8 squared, which is 64. We are going to transfer 64 to the left hand side. This gives us 100 minus 64 is equal to DC squared. 100 minus 64 gives us 36 equal to DC squared. 36 equal to DC squared is the same as saying DC squared is equal to 36. Next, we are going to take a square root on both sides. Taking square roots at both sides will give us the square root of DC squared to be equal to the square root of 36. Then DC will simply be equal to the positive square root since distance cannot be negative, and the positive square root of 36 is 6. Knowing AC, which is 15, and DC, which is 6, we can find T. T will simply be equal to this AC minus DC, and this will give us 15 minus 6, and this will simply be equal to 15 minus 6 gives us 9. Therefore, our T is equal to 9 units. Therefore, T is equal to 9 units, since it is distance. We are done with the solution of the question. If in case you have any worries, feel free to drop your questions at the comment section. Please like the video, share, and subscribe to this channel. Thank you very much for watching.